Let's make the most of our time together and continue to excel in our endeavors with this pre-conference workshop on bibliometric analysis and introduction to SLR by eminent trainer, Dr. Raja Sankaran, Professor CMS Business School, Jain, deemed to be University, Bengaluru, India. Let me take this honor to introduce Dr. Raja Sankaran, Professor at CMS Business School, Jain, deemed to be University, Bengaluru, teaching research methodology in various subjects in marketing management. Earlier, he was a professor at ISME, Bengaluru, and Alliance University, teaching subjects in marketing management, international business, and business research methods. He has over 30 years of industry experience and teaching experience. He has held management positions with multinational companies in service delivery roles before moving to academics. In CSC, he was posted in the UK in the role of accountant lead and general manager. He has implemented 3 Six Sigma projects, big round of applause, 3 Six Sigma projects, resulting in account savings and improved service delivery for National Grid UK account. As well as in NIIT, he has conducted 100+ corporate training in enterprise management at 30+ countries worldwide, USA, Asia, Pacific, African countries, and was posted in Australia. He has also conducted trainings at Microsoft, Dallas, USA, Seoul, South Korea. Dr. Raja is a member of American Psychological Association, APA. He has published research papers in ABDC journals, International Journal of Marketing Intelligence and Planning, at IM, KSM, Taylor and Francis, and other journals. He has been awarded Best Research Paper winner for the research paper presented at Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, International Research Conference, Mumbai. Dr. Raja has conducted various trainings and FDPs on workshop, writing a doctoral synopsis, doctoral workshop on writing effective literature reviews, workshop on reliability and validity, a guide to publishing research papers, overview of qualitative research, meet the Mendeley advisor, managing references and citations with Mendeley, what they don't teach you in a PhD, CMP using marker, variable, rigor in systematic literature review, rigor in qualitative research, bibliometric meta-analysis. His research interests are in the area of mobile technology, consumer behavior, service marketing, brand equity, quantitative techniques, SLR, meta-analysis, and cryptocurrency. Big round of applause to Dr. Raja Sankaran. I would like to call upon Dr. Atul Kumar, conference convener, to felicitate such an eminent personality.